catch a fish with me?
Yeah. Let's do it.
We need breakfast.
We need coffee. Fire, coffee, and breakfast.
Yeah. Okay, get your bum out.
I'll get my bum out.
I don't know what's in here. Holy shit. There's a lot of stuff. Philly forgot his fishing gear with me.
Is that why you have so much stuff?
That's so much stuff. I don't even have like a third of this. This is all his.
Oh wow. Thanks, baby.
But it will be put to good use.
We're at Berg River, near Paarl. We camped here last night and we're gonna camp here again tonight. So today we just get to hang out and make food, make coffee, and go fishing. Perfect.
You good?
So good. This one's yours.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments. Colored trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room.
Last night we arrived with what, about 6 bags of wood,
Yeah.
and this morning we made fire to make some coffee, and we realized that we pretty much burned through most of our wood last night. So we're gonna head to reception and see if they have some for us. It's super cold at night, so we're trying to really stay warm and make massive fires. And as soon as one of the other campsites have a bigger fire than us, we keep on piling wood on top of ours. And then we'll have a friend over for lunch, and we'll cook some food and just relax for the rest of the afternoon. Do some reading, do some fishing, and just chill out as much as possible. Do you have a name for her?
Sally?
Sally. Why Sally?
Why not?
I was thinking pork chop.
Porky. Pork chop. Sally pork chop. It's like digging a hole. Hey, pork. Should we call her dinner?
No, that's nasty.
Hey.
Oh my
Tell
god.
me.
Hello, little baby.
Cute little pigs. Oh, oh my god, they're so cute. Come to mama. Oh, no more dinner. Oh, baby, they're so cute.
Now we need more names.
Bacon?
Bacon?
Oh. Hey, hi, Bacon. Look, they just want to get their noses dirty. That's all they want to do. Hi. Hi. There's another one.
Fourth one.
Hey, come get your nose dirty. Hi. Hey. Hello. Oh, look at them. They're so happy.
You want to take one to camp?
Yeah, shall we?
Yeah.
Maybe they'll be good fishermen.
We're sorted now. Okay, we're getting 5 bags of wood to make sure we don't run out tonight. We've got 1 extra one. So 6 again.
Perfect. I think we're gonna win the competition tonight.
There we go. Ooh, big spider.
Big spider
Yeah,
on the wood.
he ran off very quickly. Okay, we've got fire.
We got fire.
So our friend Kezia just arrived at camp to come say hi to us, and we'll make some lunch together. I kind of have the gift of always cooking way too much food, so I'll just take all the leftovers from last night and put something together for lunch. Shouldn't be a lot of work. We've got a little pan here, which is great on the fire, so we're not going to braai or barbecue today, and we'll mix it all in with some tomato, onion relish, some mushrooms. You should be all set until tonight. It's probably around 12 now. We haven't eaten yet, so pretty starving.
Back again, say what? Back again, say what?
Oh lolo!
Say what? Back again, say what? She was my lady. I was a great. It was the time to back to the end. I was afraid. I was great. She's not afraid. Back to the end. Like the start. Back again, say what? Back again, just to say what? Back again, just to say what? Back again, just to say what? She was my lady. She was afraid. She's not afraid. He was the great. Back without you. He was afraid. She's not afraid. He was the great. To the end I saw. What you want? Have no plans.
I didn't really know what was gonna happen when you talked about it, but it turned out perfect.
All makes sense now?
Or makes sense now.
What you want? Oh, what you show? It's so let it go. Making this time to chance and we'll drive you home. Yeah, drive you home. Tears start waiting so far. She says I'm cute. That's why she oh my feel.
Awesome.
You have a good time?
So nice.
Tell me about your peach and pickle of the trip.
Peach and pickle. Peach was having the whole day here, and it turned out to be so much warmer than we thought. And the pickle was when Kezia nearly caught the carp. So we had all the rods set up on the hill, and G was casting into the water himself, making the little froggy hop to catch trout. Right? And then Kezia and I were sitting on the hill. The line got taut, so she screamed and yelled and got super excited and tugged on it just like G told her to.
Bob, I can't get it. I think I just lost it. Give it tight, give it tight. Keep it tight.
Did you film?
I wish I would have got the first scream on film.
Okay, again.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, Kezia. And then there was nothing on the end of the line by the time we got it. But she was so excited. It would have been her first fish ever. So it's not a bad pickle.
Actually, I would say that was my peach,
Yeah?
that moment. Because the
Yeah.
energy just like went up so quickly when that
It's
happened.
true,
That's
yeah.
good.
It's true. No, when you talk about it, it actually doesn't sound like a pickle at all.
Yeah, it's quite fun.
But I guess that means that nothing was really bad.
Right.
It was cold yesterday. It was very, very, very cold yesterday. I think we still had so much fun that it didn't really matter. It's maybe 4:30 now, I think, maybe 5. And we're gonna make dinner. We're gonna just sit by the fire and relax while the sun goes down and make dinner. And then we're gonna head home. You just have to drive like a little bit out of town and you come to places like this and it's so quiet. You can hear like the river rushing and watch the birds. It's so cool. It's so nice. It's so different than what we're experiencing like during the week. I love it.
Oh my
Hey.
gosh. It's brilliant. I love it. Ready, set, let's go home.